Get WhatsApp Dark Mode for iPhone, Android or desktop. WhatsApp Dark Mode has been a long time coming, but it's now available for testing on iPhone and Android, with a desktop version on the way too. WhatsApp Dark Mode is a new design for the hugely popular messaging app, which will swap its current palette of light gray and green for shades of black, green and midnight blue. It won't replace the current look completely, but will be available as an option for anyone who wants to use it. There are several reasons why you might want to try it. First of all, you might be among the many people who find dark backgrounds easier to look at for long periods of time, as there's less glare. Darker screens also use less power, particularly if your device has an AMOLED display. Finally, it just looks cool, and makes a refreshing change from all white interfaces. How to get WhatsApp Dark Mode for Android. WhatsApp Dark Mode is now available for beta testing, so you can take it for a spin right now. Bear in mind that some features and colors might change before the final release, based on the results of the testing. Sign up for the beta program through the Google Play Store. Wait for your account to be processed, this may take a few hours. Update your app, the latest beta release is 2.20.53 at the time of video. If you can't see an update option, download and install the APK. Restart the app. Tap Settings followed by Chats, and toggle Dark Mode on. How to get WhatsApp Dark Mode for iOS. The iOS beta is full at the time of video, but it's worth checking back frequently to see if new places have opened up. It looks like WhatsApp Dark Mode will only be available for iOS 13 and above. Check to see if the beta is open and join if possible. Install Test Flight on your device. Click the link in the invitation email from WhatsApp. Update and launch WhatsApp. Tap Settings followed by Chats, and toggle Dark Mode on. How to get WhatsApp Dark Mode on desktop. WhatsApp is also getting a dark mode update for the desktop, as developer Mahesh B. Wijeratne discovered while trawling through the CSS cascading style sheet for the website. The desktop dark mode doesn't seem to be quite finished yet, emoji are on white rather than transparent backgrounds, but the palette matches that of the Android and iOS apps. It's not available for testing yet, but you can recreate a similar effect using a free plugin called Stylus for Firefox and Chrome, which lets you create custom style sheets for individual sites. User Vednik has created a special dark style sheet for use with WhatsApp Web, which is free to download and use. It's not identical to the official version, but gives a similar overall effect. Now that WhatsApp Dark Mode is available for beta testing, we know that it will be mostly dark gray, with green accents and status messages in yellow. Before the beta release appeared, it looked as though we would be seeing at least two different dark modes, one of which would be optimized for AMOLED screens. Assets tucked away in earlier APKs suggested that there would be up to 3 variants available, including one with a solid black background. These black pixels would be switched off on an AMOLED display, helping save as much power as possible. However, this option doesn't seem to be available in the beta release. It's possible that it might appear in a future update, but we won't hold our breath. WhatsApp is so enormously popular, it makes sense for parent company Facebook to want to keep it as simple as possible to avoid confusing users. What else is on the way? We don't know exactly when WhatsApp Dark Mode will be rolled out globally, but it's possible that it might arrive in a major update at the same time as self-destructing messages, which will be deleted automatically after a certain period of time. Based on leaked screen grabs, it looks as though you'll be able to set messages to be erased after a period between 5 minutes and an hour. Rival messaging apps Facebook Messenger, Telegram and Signal already offer a similar feature, so it's an overdue addition to WhatsApp. Beta releases have also revealed a new option that will allow you to completely hide updates from muted contacts. Currently, if you mute a contact, their updates will appear grayed out, but still visible. When the new update rolls out, you'll be able to hide them fully, and only see them if you choose to. One thing that we're not expecting anytime soon is a sudden influx of ads. Parent company Facebook recently revealed that it's disbanded a team who were working on ways to slide advertisements into your group chats. The company still intends to insert ads into WhatsApp's little-used status feature, which is very much like stories on Facebook and Instagram, but you shouldn't find yourself bombarded with promotional messages anytime soon. Other ways to extend battery life in WhatsApp. One of the main reasons you might want to try dark mode for WhatsApp is to extend battery life, but there are other ways to make the app less power hungry until the setting becomes available. Enter the app's settings, select Chats, and tap Wallpaper, then choose Solid Color and select something darker than the standard pale gray background. This won't change the color of the message bubbles, menus and other interface elements, but Google's research has found that black pixels drain substantially less power than other colors. By default, WhatsApp will download a lot of files in the background, which can really drain your phone's battery, so you can also conserve power by opening WhatsApp settings and selecting Data and Storage Usage. Here, you can choose when media should be downloaded, when you're using mobile data, when you're connected to Wi-Fi, and when you're roaming. If you turn these off, videos and images sent in messages will only be downloaded when you tap them. Activating your phone's own power-saving mode is another way to make it last longer between charges. Depending on which setting you choose, this may turn down the brightness of your screen, stop apps sending and receiving data when they run in the background, and limit CPU speed. It's up to you whether you're willing to take the performance hit in order to extend your battery life.